Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You've probably seen it all over your feed, headlines screaming about someone buying a house for just 1 cent. It sounds absolutely insane, right? A dream come true. But what's the real story behind this viral trend? Is it a legitimate loophole or is there a massive catch? Today, we're digging deep to expose the truth behind the 1 cent real estate deal. First off, let's get this straight. Yes, these transactions are happening, but it's not what you think. Nobody is handing over the keys to a beautiful move-in ready home for less than a nickel. The 1 cent is often a symbolic price used in very specific, non-traditional property transfers. Think of it like this. It's a placeholder to make the contract legally binding when a property is being gifted between family members transferred into a trust or as part of a larger, more complex deal where the property itself isn't the main asset being sold. So, where did this trend come from? A lot of it is fueled by social media clickbait. Someone might share a deed showing a 1 cent sale price without any context, and it instantly goes viral because it taps into our collective dream of affordable home ownership. These properties, however, are almost always in terrible condition, facing demolition or burdened with massive debts like years of unpaid property taxes or liens that far exceed the property's actual value. The new owner is essentially buying a huge financial problem, not a home. In reality, the 1 cent price tag is a giant red flag. The seller is desperate to get rid of the property to avoid further liability, like taxes or fines for code violations. The buyer, often unknowingly, takes on all that baggage. So, while you technically buy it for a penny, you might immediately owe tens of thousands in back taxes, demolition costs, or legal fees. It's a classic case of, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So the next time you see a post about a 1 cent house, remember the hidden costs. The real path to homeownership involves saving, planning, and working with trusted professionals. It's not as flashy, but it won't leave you with a mountain of debt. I hope this clears things up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more myth-busting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.